Chioma. Chioma. Baby.
Who is your baby? Me, Chioma, your baby. Are you insane? Are you high? Are you normal? Me, Chioma. Of all the girls in this village, me, Chioma, your baby. What for?
See, Chioma. See, I love you so much. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
See, I'm serious. Chioma, just give me a chance now.
You love me.
Give me a chance to love you.
Me, Chioma. Have you finished smoking and drinking? Or you think I'm like all these girls? All these little girls in this village that you have been messing around with? You think I'm them? Please, just go and meet them and leave Chioma alone. I'm not your type and you are not my type. And never will you be. Just get that.
Okay, see, Chioma. See, in the next 11 or 10 years or 12 years now, things will turn around for me. Everything will change.
In the next or 10 years, things will turn around for you. Okay, whatever you want to be it for yourself and leave Chioma out of it. Okay? I don't need you. You're not my type. I know what I need, not you. You're just a village hoodlum, village champion, roaming around the village, doing nothing. I don't just need you. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Chioma, why are you doing like this now? Chioma, I love you. I will take good care of you. I'm going to take good care of you.
Me? Just take a look at me. Just take a look at me. You take care of me, Chioma. Can you even buy my cream? Or buy my hair? What can you offer, Save? Let me just begin. What can you offer? I'm talking to you. What can you offer to me? Nothing. Just go and continue your smoking, okay? You're just here in the village, lavishing your life. Just look at you.
Chioma.
You don't know your type. Or have you forgotten?
Hey. Chioma, why all this now? Chioma, I truly love you. See, I'm going to take good care of you. As I told you, I will take good care of you.
Oh, God. Wow. You want to take good care of me? Oh, sorry. I'm not your type. I don't need you, okay? I don't want you. Leave me alone. Let me be. I know what I want. I'm looking for those top guys out there. Are you? Don't call the idiot. Village house. Vagabond. You are talking to Chioma. Imagine. Idiot.
Hey! Moi vagabond. Moi village champion. Hey! Chioma have insulted me. Chioma have insulted me. In this village. No problem.
Please, all is well. Yes, all is well. Take.
Are you giving me money?
These letters, one is for Ijoma and one is for her boyfriend. Tell them to meet me at the court for hearing.
Who sued them to court?
I did.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey, Matthias. Eh? Keke su one nigga in a court. Eh? It's your sister now.
So if she's my sister, I should dance because she insulted me? Listen, let me tell you. Your daughter Ijoma Ijoma insulted me beyond repair. Ijoma with that little brat she called her
my
boyfriend.
own Ijoma?
Yes! In fact, I don't even have much time to start exchanging words with you. I'm a barrister of law, a curriculumous barrister, a barrister with a hyphen. Only my autograph can set this whole village ablaze. Because of this singular act, I want you to get a lawyer and meet me at the court for hearing. I take my leave.
Hey, Matthias, Bikonu, Ayokam na yogo. Nyakwa your own daughter, your own blood. Biko, kiki baba wane gwa yakwo. Simu zie ya. Keka me zie diozi. How will I drop this kind of message to her?
Please, you talk a lot. I don't have time for all this. Even if I want to give birth to a child. Not a child like your daughter, Ijoma. In fact, there's no time to waste. Meet me at the court.
Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense. Barrister no case, Aborola case yowo. Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense. Barrister no case, Aborola case lota. Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense.
My in-law. Come, sir.
Come back here. Take this.
My in-law. What's the envelope for?
Barrister Matthias have sued both of you to court.
Hey!
You mean uncle?
You better get yourself a lawyer that will stand for you that very day.
Hey.
Papa, are you joking or did uncle mean this thing? I don't understand.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. How come a joke turned to paper of court for both of you to present yourself? If I'm joking.
Oh, my in-law, we did nothing to him.
Yes.
We did nothing.
You did nothing. Okay, what are you thinking before you insulted him?
But he started it. He told me to leave my fiancé and go home. And I said no. Imagine that. I don't like it, Papa.
He told you to go home. And you said no. Did you listen to yourself? Did you? Your uncle saw you and your fiancé. Where? Outside. Not even in the house. And he asked you to go home. And you said no.
Oh, there's no problem there, my in-law. She is my wife to be. Don't I have the right to stay with my own wife, my wife to be anywhere I want at any time?
I forgot about you, your wife to be, not yet your wife. Yes, your people have already visited me and told me everything that you guys are coming very soon, but not yet. So he has every right to command you or to command your wife to be to go home. You people don't need to insult him. Now you have insulted him. Onya weriwe be a list nyegi. O weriwe be a list. You have not yet done the right thing and you are insulting your in-law. A barrister for that matter in all over this village is the only barrister we have. You know idea? Do you know what is lake on pool? In Maria. Do you know what is inconcability? In Maria. Do you know what is tranquility? In Maria. I learned those English under some days from barrister. This is the same person that's supposed to educate you, lead you to the next level. Jena apanye sort apanye. Imebe kwenye isi nwam. Onye kan reba na akwo no cartel Abi?
Papa, I did not see anything inside that. Just for nothing now. I just talk. Only talk.
Even if I don't understand, I understood. Isi ekburum, nti echirom. Man, don't worry. I will be leaving now. I want to go and see Mazio. Make sure you get yourself a lawyer that will defend you that very day. By the time you stepped your foot in that court, Ogwagi Kinyebo tranquility in Maria Ijenga. Ojogi Kinyebo inconcability in Marokwea in Apurunga. Ngampuroka. Agejikopo Garematoka, Agwo no Lopotara, Amagianisi. Most already table and at a brokers or Bruni Maya Jenga.
This my uncle is very funny.
Don't let this thing bother you. I will handle it.
Okay.
What's all this?
Imagine. Trying to work for what now?
Why are you acting like this? What's the problem?
How am I acting for crying out loud? Ow!
Missy, listen, what happened between me and you is something I enjoyed so much, and I want us to continue.
Really? I told you, everything happened under the influence of alcohol. I regretted it. Why don't you get it?
Missy.
I've gotten over this and I expect you to do the same, please.
Missy, please don't call this whole thing short. I love you so much and you know I cannot live without...
You call this love?
I love you.
You took advantage of me. Have you forgotten so soon?
Missy, I love you.
Enough of this. I don't want to hear this again. Everything that happens is between me and you. I don't want another ear to hear about this.
Missy.
Please.
I'll die if you leave me.
You better die. Yeah.
Missy. Missy. Missy, stop now.
Hello, sexy damsel. How you doing, baby?
Excuse me. Why are you following me? Why are you stalking me now? What is it? Do I owe you?
God damn, baby. Oh, you don't know me?
Who the hell are you?
Oh, sorry, let me explain myself. Let me quickly explain myself to you. I am the man they might call Imo, the international United States of American barrister, baby. In case you don't know, I am a lawyer from United States of America, and I've never in my life lost any case in United States of America. I'm just coming back from court, and I said, let me use leg and walk around, and thank God I found a sexy damsel on the road moving, and I said that I must stop you and talk to you. Please, lady, will you be my woman? You know, back then in United States of America, we the real men, especially the real barristers like me, go straight to the point and tell a woman what they want. Young lady, I would like you to be my wife. Will you be my woman? No, honestly, man, you busted my brain. You just got me trapped by your natural beauty, just like Rihanna in New York City. Do you know Rihanna? Do you know Chris Brown? God damn! In United States of America, I am the lawyer that settled the case between Rihanna and Chris Brown in my office. No, for real, man, I'ma take care of you if you can be my woman. No, believe me, baby, your case is over if you can be my wife. Can I make you my wife?
Hello, can you wake up? Are you done talking? If you don't have something reasonable to say, please, have something to do.
No, hold on, man. I don't think whether you understand what I'm saying. I said in United States of America, there are so many sexy, beautiful women over there. But I just decided to come down to my fatherland and pick a woman. But thank God I found you. So, young lady, will you be my wife?
I don't care about your achievements. You don't have something to say.
Hold on. Does that mean you don't know? I said I am the man that I call Imo, the international United States of American lawyer who never lose any case since his life. Oh, you living? God damn, baby. Look at her waist. Look at her waist, walking under this scorching sun. Damn, but she's beautiful. I'ma take my leave now, baby. But I will get to you next time. I know one day I'ma surely see you again, sexy mama. Let me take my leave. I'ma take my leave, baby. But she's beautiful. That's the kind of woman I would like to spend the rest of my life with, baby. I'ma get you. See you, baby.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uncle, good afternoon. Uncle, please forgive us. Forgive us, please, the way we spoke to you. Oh, am I here? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are very, very sorry.
Yes.
We have realized our mistakes, so we said we should come and apologize to you.
Biko.
Please, Biko.
Please.
Forgive us, sir.
I should forgive you. You have realized your mistakes. Then I should forgive you. No, just give me one reason that I should forgive you. Give me one particular and so companious reason that I should forgive both of you. Give it to me. You realize that you have sinned against me. Now you have come to me with downcasted face. I should forgive you. I cannot do that. I can never condescend so low to forgive an idiot. Yes, I cannot do that. You already have your summon in your hands. So please meet me at the court. Let's iron it out.
Please, Uncle. Remember, you are the only barrister we know in this community. You are the pride of our family.
Yes.
Will you allow your own daughter to be jailed and your in-law to be? Please.
My what to be?
Your in-law to be.
And who is my in-law?
I'm the one, sir.
This latrine. This toilet paper, jumbo size. My in-law. How can you call him my in-law? No, what makes him an in-law to this family? If I should choose an in-law, Yaburonya, a bafu, or Bankata, shining on here, my in-law to be. No, he cannot be our in-law. Because if he wants to be an in-law to a prostrated and a castrated barrister like me, he has to be lawful. With his lawyership, and I myself a lawyer. The two both of us will be lawless and then lawful.
Barrister, no case.
Oh, him.
Our own barrister.
Yes.
The pride of our community.
Yes.
We love you, sir. I adore your lordship, sir. My learned colleague, practitioner himself. Please, sir, forgive us.
Because, yeah.
Go on. Barrister, take us just the way you see us. We don't
Just
have much. We know you love fruits. And I promise you, with time, we will still be bringing more fruits for you.
Yes, exactly.
Because we don't want to go to jail. Please, sir.
Please.
Just go and thank your God that I have a castrated heart. My heart is under castration.
Hey, thank you, God.
I am unapology acceptable barrister. I don't accept apology at all. During the time of Babangida, you know all I did? It was my autograph that set people free. The place I came from, before I begot this flag you are seeing here. Before I begot this flag,
yes, sir.
So many autographs. You people should be happy that you have somebody like me in this community. Peter, these barristers that not even passed their senior certificate. Is it so white and black and we are barristers? How many cases have they defended? Just tell me, how many cases have they won in bilateral war? During the time of MKO, Abiola and Abacha, their deaths could have caused a lot of catastrophes into Nigeria. But it was my autograph. Immediately I signed. The federal government, the Nigerian and the Air Forces, all the demons controlling the Air Forces and the emphasis and the army nature. All of us come together.
That was in 1961.
1948.
Yes, the barrister.
48. You were not born there. Go to Concrete War Book. Concrete War Book. Chapter 4. Chapter 4, Inauguration 7. Made it clear that I, Barrister No Case, is the nature, the weapon of war that every community that owns me should go to war with. Are we attack and you people should be lucky that today you have given me your fact, the praises you showered on me. I thank God that children of nowadays, you have brain to have at least to have assembled your deadly instincts. If not, you know where you would have ended. Just so to Mbiaka can guide Hagana quote bomb, Uno Gani Memprogation from Unugano didn't go with the monopause at a book set. Mark nega because I must make sure you rot in jail. I'm a jail rotist. I'm a jail rotist. On your Lamroto and Angelo Nagan Roto, Boto, Babu, Wakasha. Get a crummy here. Am I here? As if never bring him all brown like a kegabru. Stupid gorilla. Gagabru brain and paggy. Paggy, I'm always him. Tim Patoe not to. And they are the young one. Again, more children. He left Nigeria, Brunei, and they could this war. There is no peace. Avoid green. That's why you are confused. Where did you get this banana from, sir?
We bought it.
You
bought
bought
it at
it?
the market square.
And who did you say this young man is to you?
Your in-law to be. My fiancé.
You are in-law to be.
Your in-law to be.
My own in-law to be.
Yes, my fiancé.
Who put to Mama? It's your hand. When the flower got you now. Hey, Mr. Man.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
I'm getting to 25, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
They're getting to 25.
25, yes.
I
have plans of coming to do small on our heads.
Yes,
Then we now settle down.
Yes, uncle.
You have plans of coming to do small thing because you see that she's small. Gebari me man on dobre nebuti huku. Makana obra nwa pincho. Ye nwa ogogo. Ge me na ho no te ka onye ara agwo fro na call mba me anwu. Yeah. What do you do for a living?
One. In English, team bomb. The town hall, we are the people that built it. Yes, sir.
That means it was a marble block, a boogie.
Concrete.
Yes, sir. Look at where you are landing yourself. And this kind of people block na kubukari hana site. Don't touch the book, you catch there and she get one pay once. What position are you in your family?
I'm the only son of my father. That's why they said I should marry on time.
You're the only son.
Yes, sir.
Get Kalaga. Leave my sight.
Thank you, sir.
Just go and thank your God that I am in a good mood. You would have rot in jail.
Barrister, no case.
Our
own barrister.
Praise me.
Thank you, sir. Barrister, no case.
Yes. Barrister, no case.
And wait a minute. What are you wearing? Is that skirt or knicker?
This is one of my jeans.
Yeah.
If it was in Uganda,
yes, sir.
I jail you for this. Yes.
How did them?
Hold on. President of Uganda is on my phone. Oh, I'm the barrel. Now, Richard. Don't worry. The case will. The case. Hello. Yes. The case will be on your favor.
Choma. Choma, they call like this. They look at me. They call you, they look at me. I go command this out of you now. Barrister, come on, the monster. Monster.
How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Good afternoon. I like your salutation. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Is it what you guys do in this village? You wake up in the morning and start throwing stick on the tree?
No, I was just looking for food.
Well, no problem. I understand your nomenclature, you know.
Thank you, sir.
I want you to work for me.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Wow.
I want you to work for me.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
I want you to be my clerk.
Clerk?
Yeah, I want you to be my clerk.
Clerk what?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Well, I know you will not understand because this is the terminology of barristers, you know. You come to the house, I'll explain more.
Okay, sir. I'll be there, sir.
I'm expecting you.
I'll be there, sir.
Don't forget,
No.
I'm expecting you.
I'll be there, sir.
Don't fail me.
I'll be there, sir.
Okay.
I'll right away, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget.
No, sir. Ah, Barrister. Toilet for you. Hey!
Barrister, no case.
You are welcome.
Please, I need your help.
On what anticipation?
Barrister, my son is locked up in the police station and I want you to go and bail him out now, please.
What is his offense?
Barrister, onye ọla Chineke ji n'isi ọmụ. Ị na-ejikwa na akwụ ụgwọ ewe anwụ ọnụ. My son was accused of rape. Although he told me he didn't rape the girl in question, he was still at the process when two boys rescued the victim.
That is attempting to rape. Yes, he attempted to rape the girl. But the device became the case. The mission was aborted. Mission unaccomplished. Mission incomplete. Mission then accomplished.
Barrister EG, very correct. Barrister no case.
In that case, your son is guilty of rape. But anyway, it's not just an ordinary case. This case is as big as this world. But thank God you have run to me, Barrister no case. So for that reason, you got no case. Like I said, it's not an easy case. You should count yourself lucky that you came to Barrister no case. For you to have ventured into my chamber, you are caseless. Case. You understand what I mean?
Yes,
so I'm going to venture into my awkward appearance and then see what I can do to appear before the court of law for your sanctuary, Liberia. Yes.
Thank you, Barrister No Case. Please, can we proceed to the station at once?
Not until you register the case. Yes. You can't just pull me out of my chamber without paying any dime.
How much?
I said 10,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me see if I have money here. This boy self. I told him, man, I'm going to Igbo. I went and borrowed this money. This money was for another thing. 10,000 naira. Sorry, Barrister. What an you, Barrister No Case. Well, see the money here.
You are lucky I am in a good mood. Otherwise, I don't accept to Ego. Either you pay me in dollar or you pay me in pounds.
Thank you.
Wait by the gate. I will join you soon.
This one boy about 5 things severally. Not to be taking these guys. What is the way going down?
Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.